It kind of feels like reMarkable forgot to keep this thing secret, because the Paper Pure has basically shown up everywhere ahead of launch, and from everything we know so far, this looks like reMarkable's attempt at building a much more affordable tablet for people who just want the core experience without all the extra premium stuff. The reMarkable Paper Pure is expected to come with a 10.3-inch grayscale e-ink display while keeping that same clean, minimalist design language people love. So yeah, no color screen here, but honestly, at a lower price point, that's not really surprising. Which brings us to pricing. It is rumored to land somewhere between $300 and $450 depending on the bundle, which would make it noticeably cheaper than some of reMarkable's other offerings. But to hit that lower price, there are definitely a few compromises. One of the more interesting changes is the removal of the pogo pin connector on the side. That likely means keyboard folio accessories won't work with the Paper Pure, and honestly, that might not even be a bad thing. Instead of trying to turn this into a laptop replacement, reMarkable seems to be doubling down on what people actually buy these devices for: distraction-free writing, reading, and note-taking. And apparently they're trying to improve that core writing experience too. Reports suggest stylus latency could drop to around 21 milliseconds, which should make handwriting feel smoother and more natural on the screen. But there's a catch. The Paper Pure reportedly won't support third-party styluses. Instead, it'll only work with the official reMarkable pen, because the company is said to be using a semi-proprietary USI stylus system instead of Wacom tech. Battery life still sounds pretty solid though. A 3,820 milliamp hour battery is rumored, with up to 3 weeks of usage on a single charge, which is exactly the kind of endurance people expect from an e-ink tablet. And one surprisingly interesting detail is the screws visible on the back. That could point toward a replaceable battery design, likely influenced by new European regulations requiring easier battery replacement to extend product lifespan. But there are a few compromises too. There's reportedly no front light system, meaning you'll still need external lighting in darker environments. The body is also said to be mainly plastic instead of more premium materials. Internally, the device is expected to use an ARM Cortex-A55 chipset alongside dual-band Wi-Fi support, and at just 360 grams, it'll also be lighter than many tablets in this size category, which should make it easier to carry around for long reading or writing sessions. Right now, the Paper Pure looks less like a stripped-down reMarkable and more like a focused one, a device that cuts out some premium extras to make the core paper tablet experience more accessible to a larger audience. Peace.